Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Macy's. The Casio G-Shock GW9500-1, the Mudman. Or the newest version of the Mudman, I should say. Because with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I like doing the unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. I mentioned Macy's. Macy's is kind of my go-to place when I buy my Casio watches. This watch was $380, which is the regular MSRP. They had friends and family off. I got it for $285, and then Rakuten had a 10% off coupon on top of that for Macy's. So it was basically $285 minus another $28 because of Rakuten cashback rewards. Warranty card. They also had this 40th anniversary G-Shock watch carrying case that if you bought a watch, came with it for free, which I thought was pretty cool. So, I don't know, I thought it was a pretty good deal. I have the original Mudman Rally Sport, and it's been my go-to bang-around watch for the last almost 10 years. So I decided it was time to upgrade. Hopefully you can see all the details. Okay. Now I do not know how to use the watch. Once I figure it out, I will do some videos to show you some of the functionality. Main thing I like about this watch is it doesn't have that inverted display. You've got a light background with a dark font. I am just not inverted display watch guy. Getting older, it's a whole lot easier for me to see this. Got the double buckle clasp, which I like. Clasp are a little bit wide. I don't know why Casio has gone to these wider clasp, but I tend to catch this on a lot of things. Show you the case back. Hopefully you'll be able to see it okay. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know I'm a big Garmin guy as well, but there's something about Casio watches, at least from a hardware standpoint, that I just like. They're hard to beat. Kind of like your other models, you've got your mode button at the bottom here. That'll take you to your different modes. And then you've got your independent buttons for each of the ABC features. Your compass, your barometer, altimeter, Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helped.